A brand new Alzheimer's drug just received FDA approval, and it could mark the beginning of a new era in dementia treatment. But is it the miracle we've been waiting for, or just more hype? Today's story is huge. The FDA just gave full approval to a drug called lecanemab, marketed as Leqembi, the first Alzheimer's treatment shown to slow cognitive decline. Let's break down what it does, who it's for, and why it matters. Leqembi is a monoclonal antibody that targets beta-amyloid plaques in the brain, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. It's been officially approved for widespread use in the US. In the trial, patients receiving Leqembi showed a 27% slower rate of cognitive decline compared to placebo over 18 months. The FDA approval specifically targets patients with early-stage Alzheimer's or mild cognitive impairment who test positive for amyloid buildup. It's given as an intravenous infusion every 2 weeks. And make no mistake, this isn't a cure. But it is the first drug in history to show clinically meaningful slowing of Alzheimer's progression. The science here focuses on reducing amyloid plaques. Lecanemab binds to these sticky protein clusters and helps the immune system clear them from the brain. This differs from earlier drugs like Aduhelm, which had controversial trial results and limited insurance coverage. However, Leqembi is not without risks. Some patients in the study developed brain swelling or microbleeds, known as ARIA, or amyloid-related imaging abnormalities. These side effects occurred in about 12% of patients and are being closely monitored in post-marketing studies. To reduce risks, the FDA recommends brain MRI screening before treatment and ongoing surveillance during therapy. Here's what this means in real life. For families grappling with Alzheimer's, this drug represents hope with caution. It will not reverse memory loss or cure the disease, but it may give people more time with their loved ones, more birthdays, more moments, more awareness. Medicare has agreed to cover Leqembi, but only for patients enrolled in a national registry. That means patients and doctors must share data with researchers to help evaluate the drug's long-term effects. This could both expand access and strengthen our scientific understanding. The drug is expected to cost $2,600 per year, not including monitoring tests or MRI scans. That makes affordability and access key concerns for advocacy groups and patients alike. So is Leqembi a game changer? Time will tell. But for now, it's a bold step forward in the fight against one of medicine's toughest diseases. We'll continue to follow how this treatment performs in the real world and what future therapies may build on this foundation. What do you think? Would you consider this treatment for yourself or a loved one? Do the benefits outweigh the risks? This is Medical News Pulse. See you in the next one.